Hello. Hello and welcome back for some more lovely maths. Last time you were finding the equation of the line when you were given a point and m, and you were just using this equation, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, and to use it you need a value for m and a value for x1 and y1, a point on the line. This time, however, you need to find the equation of the line when given 2 points, x1 y1 and x2 y2. It's very simple, just means at the beginning you're going to have to do this first. First you need to find the gradient m value. You do that by substituting x1 y1, x2 y2 into your old friend m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Do what you've learnt before and get the m value. Once you've got the m value, you're back to the same situation you've had before, where you have the m number and a point. You just pop it in here and leave your answer in the form you need. So stop the video now, write these notes down, and then you can refer to them when we do the one worked example we need to do. Make sure you've written them down now. Have you done that? You've written these notes down? Okay, let's move on then. Here we have a worked example. So let's get working it out. First of all, they have given you 2 points, and we said we're going to use the old friend m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 to solve it. First of all, because you are good people, good mathematicians, you always list your variables. So let's do that. Minus x1 is going to be minus 8. y1 is therefore 3. x2 then has to be 4. y2 is 5. Now remember, if you had chosen this number, the 4, to be x1, then this would have been y1. Then this would have been x2 and y2. Doesn't make any difference, as long as these pairs are together. Now you use Peter and the rabbit to help you fill this in. y2 is 5. A minus sign is a minus sign. y1 is 3. x2 is 4. Minus sign. x1 is minus 8. Now you just rely on your normal maths. You listen to the question, it's saying 5 minus 3. And what is 5 minus 3? Correct, 2. 4 minus minus 8 is really 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 over 12 becomes 1 over 6. Now you have your m value. Now we just restart the question. So let's get the rabbit to help us again and our friend Peter. M is 1/6. x1. Well, you could say it's minus 8, but we're starting all over again. So you can either choose x1 to be the negative number minus 8, or you can choose x1 to be 4. Make your mind up now. I'm going to choose x1 to be 4 because the number is positive. And the y1 then is 5, which is also positive. It will make the number work easier. But you are not wrong if you have used these coordinates minus 8, 3. You will still get the same answer. Now we have to write the equation. Can you remember what it is? Yes. Y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. Then we just start substituting again. Y is y, minus is minus, y1 is 5, equal sign, m is 1 over 6, open parentheses or brackets, x is x, the minus sign is minus, x1 is 4, close. Now it's just a question of doing your algebra. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. To get rid of the 6, we times both sides by 6. By timesing by 6 here, the 6 will divide into 6 and become 1 and disappear. And I'm just left with this 1 and the parentheses. If I times this side by 6, I have to remember to put this in parentheses because the 6 will multiply both terms. So let's times this out together. 6 times y is 6y. 6 times minus 5 is minus 30. 1 times x is x, and 1 times minus 4 is minus 4. To get rid of the minus 30, what am I going to do to both sides? Yes, add 30. And there I have an equation of the line. Now, if I'm trying to be sneaky and catch you out and say I want the answer in slope-intercept form, that means I only want one y here and I need to get rid of the 6. So what would I do? I would divide every term by 6 and then I would end up with y equals x over 6 plus 13 over 3. Because it would be 26 over 6, which cancels down to 13 over 3. So that's what it would look like. But notice I'm only doing this right at the end of the question. The other thing, because I work at an American school, they sometimes say, leave your answer in standard form. That means we want everything to be in integers and the x and y on the same side. So what I'm going to do, because I like the x to be positive, I'm going to leave the x on the right hand side. I'm going to bring the 6y over. Becomes a minus 6y because I've subtracted 6y from both sides. To get rid of plus 26, I'm going to minus 26 both sides, and so I have it like this. Slope-intercept form, standard form, equation of the line. For this question it said find the equation of the line. I would have personally stopped here and not bothered doing extra work. I'm not into doing extra work when I don't need to. Okay, so now you need to be good. You need to copy this all down, copy it into your notebook. Once you've done that, you can begin the new exercise. And I'll see you next time for even more lovely maths. Bye now.